Hey YouTube, JW. What do I have here? To my FFL today. A package for me. Got me a little Armscor .38 Special, model 206. Got it from Cheaper Than Dirt. 200 bucks. You've probably seen other people do reviews on this online. Armscor, made in the Philippines. It is a 6-shot revolver. One thing I did notice right off the bat with this, as to some other reviews I've seen on this gun, is this has a blued finish. It's an alloy steel. It is a blued finish. The trigger pull is about what you would expect out of a $200 snub-nosed revolver. But what I was saying is a lot of them I've seen have a Parkerized finish. They've kind of, I think, made some changes to this gun. It was listed as a blued frame, but I didn't know if it was a mistake or not. It is blued alloy frame. It weighs 1.59 pounds, so it's got some heft to it. It said that it had wood grips, which these are, they look like wood, but they're actually just a plastic. You know, this is a clone of a Colt Detective Special or a Colt Cobra. It's fixed sights. Two-inch barrel. So, like I said, I wanted a little pistol to keep in my truck or put in my bug out bag. And I think this is going to fit the bill nicely. You know, the state where I live, you cannot conceal carry a weapon, so I'm not worried about carrying this gun whatsoever, with the exposed hammer and whatnot. But there's no play in this. Very little at all. I've seen some of them, actually one I looked at the NRA show was all slopped out. This one seems pretty good. I think the cylinder timing is going to be good on it. We'll find out. I'm going to put a box of 100 through it with it right out of the box. No oiling. I mean, it is oiled up. They got it oiled up pretty good. But I'm going to put 100 rounds through this hopefully tomorrow, and we'll see how it does. Got me some Colt Detective speed loaders too, HKS speed loaders for it. So I'm going to get me some, you know, it's not rated for plus P or anything like that, it just shoots regular 38. So I'm going to pick me up some ammo and take it out to the property tomorrow, and we'll see how it works. but I think this is going to be a good little pistol for 200 bucks. Thanks for watching.